A lone soldier roamed a hushed battlefield. The dead and dying still lay in the mud. His feet slipped and slid in puddles of blood, fresh from the bombing. It had not yet congealed. He sought shelter before his fate was sealed. A bomb drops from the sky, lands with a thud, almost blown to bits, except it was a dud. The boy ran scared through a forest, concealed. The sound of bombs fades as he draws nearer to an ancient pagan shrine in a glade. The statue spoke, first garbled, then clearer. You are safe here now. I promise you aid. His old life, the war, it seemed all a blur. He put down his rifle, no longer afraid.